Let's have a quick room tour of the Nana Beach Resort here in Thung Beach. Something like that. Check it out. Cracking big room, this one. Hit the jackpot again. Massive resort this, and yet not many people here. What I see, views of the beach yonder. Check that out later. Nice balcony. My bed probably. Ooh, a mirror with a light above. It's always good. Aircon blasting out. Coffee station, tea and coffee. Plenty of water. Storage area. Plenty of that. Got a shower. Oh, we've got a shower, we've got a tub as well. Both. Always good. Cracking big room here. Spacious. We've hit the jackpot.